in this series, we're going to take a look at creating this hammer here. We're going to use procedural and texture painting. So we're going to create some materials using the blender nodes, and we'll look at creating this kind of leather pattern in here. And on the strap, we'll look at using the metallic modifier, I guess what it's called, the metallic material, and applying that to there. Using some cloth material to create this kind of realistic leather strap that's flopping down there. We'll be doing some texture painting on this area down here, and also we're going to keep this fairly low poly, with the idea being that this is more about game development than kind of movie prop realistic stuff. So we're going to keep it fairly low poly. As you can see, mine is about 6,000 tries, which is higher than it could be, but we could probably easily get that to about a third by removing some of the detail in this here, removing some of the detail in these areas here, and keeping it down quite low. But for this one here, I just really wanted to focus on the modeling process, the texture unwrapping, and applying different materials to it to get a cool looking weapon replica of Thor's hammer at the end. So I am also aware that the thumbnails are completely ridiculous, and I did do that on purpose.